The Harper collection by Bush Home is a stunning slip-covered collection that comes in sofas, ottomans, and accent chairs. I was super excited to do 2 of the swivel accent chairs in my home. This is a slip-covered collection and it is amazing if you have a family or pets. I love this ivory color. It is such a great neutral, and the ottomans are so functional with a flip over tray on top that you can use for coffee or movie nights. And then I love that it has that little bit of storage inside where you could tuck away kids' toys or extra blankets. It just makes it really family friendly. I love that you can create a completely different look by simply removing the slip covers. They all have a zipper across the back and it makes it really easy to remove them. They are extremely soft, durable fabrics, which is really important when you are lounging in your home and you just want to be cozy and comfortable. And I love that you can just wipe off messes or wash the slip covers really easily. And putting a new color on will give you a completely different look, which is a simple way to update your home. This is the color Sand, and I love that it has these easy Velcro tabs for putting the new cover on, and it just gives you a completely different look. Here I want to show you how the ottoman can be switched over. Again, it has those simple Velcro tabs all along the edges, which makes it really easy to pull off quickly and put on your new color for a new look. These fabrics have a really nice weave in them. This Sand is a really beautiful taupey brown color, and the top is nice and padded and super soft and luxurious feeling. This collection couldn't be more versatile for your home, and I absolutely love the way it looks here, and that you can just really simply get a whole new look by switching out the color of your slip covers.